Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix Shein Puppy Keep expired error. So if you are getting this error, I will show you what you need to do. If you are using an iPhone, you need to go to your iPhone settings. You can just use the search bar and write iPhone storage in the search, or you can just go to the general and then click iPhone storage. Scroll down until you will see Shein, which is right here, and you need to click offload app, and this will offload your app, and then click reinstall. So this will reinstall your app. Don't worry guys, this won't delete your account. This won't sign you out from your account. You will be logged in guys. This will just verify the file's integrity and most likely it will fix the error. If you're using Android, you can just completely delete the app and reinstall it again. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.